Hello, my name is Anibal Bueno. I'm working at the University of Malaga, and I'm going to present the project that we are developing there in collaboration with Mani's group at TIGAC and also with the UCL. So we wanted to build a phenotype predictor for rare diseases. And we started analyzing all the data in Decipher. Decipher is a database that contains worldwide data for patients suffering a rare disease. It has more than 15,000 patients on it, and that's a good point because when you're working with rare diseases, you need a big amount of data in order to reach valid results. So what did we get from Decipher? We got all the phenotypes for those patients suffering rare diseases. Those phenotypes are annotated under the human phenotype ontology, so it's a kind of architectural way of organizing phenotypes, and also the genetic variations of those patients, namely the CNVs. So with this data, we build a 3 layers network. The first layer is the phenotypes, second layer was formed by the patients, and the third one by the CNVs in these patients. Once we had the network, we applied different metrics to that network, different network biology algorithms, and also some algorithms from the information theory, such as the hypergeometric index, the Pearson correlation coefficient, or the Jaccard metrics. With all that information, we were able to construct our phenotype predictor. And now we already done this, and now we are able, given a query patient, a new patient that is not in our database, to provide a ranked list with the phenotypes that he or she probably has based on his or her CNVs. Well, after that, what we are doing now is trying to have a website for making available this predictor to the community. And in the visual part of this web portal, we are going to include Bio.js. We have been working with the Bio.js component for chromosome browsing, and also another one for making this kind of graphs, the needle plot component. Here we have an example. This use case is related with a specific position in the chromosome 19. All these patients are known to have a syndrome, recently discovered syndrome, that leads to malformations in the head and also to urinary problems. As you can see there, our predictor made good predictions. The blue dots are for abnormality of the urinary system and abnormality of the genital system. They are very related. And the orange ones are for abnormality of the neck and abnormality of the head. The advantage that Bio.js gives us is that we can explore all the genome and focus on one region and see how related those phenotypes are to each locus in this region. You can select whatever region you want, and you have the percentage of association between that area and the predicted phenotypes. And we're now working on that. Maybe we will improve it in the future, and this is, I think this is everything. Do you have any questions?